Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best softball ring is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any softball player, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. This video is all about helping you find the perfect ring to elevate your game. We'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and what makes a great softball ring stand out from the rest, so you can make an informed decision and step up your game. Number 5. Express Metals Gold Baseball Champion Rings. These champion rings come with a black display stand and a gold chain. It offers multiple ways to showcase the award. This makes it easy to display and share the achievement. The rings feature a beautiful, bright gold finish. They are made of cast zinc, ensuring a quality feel. This is an award you'll be proud to give. It's a perfect way to recognize players, competitors, coaches, sponsors, or team members. The ring symbolizes achievement and hard work. This is a great way to show appreciation. The ring is designed as one size, approximately size 11. It's meant to be displayed on the stand or worn on the chain. This makes it a versatile award. Looking for other awards? Click the Express Metals link on Amazon. There you'll find a variety of medals, trophies, and more. Check out what else they have to offer. What we like? This ring features a beautiful bright gold color finish, making it a stunning award. It comes with a display stand and chain, offering versatile display options. If you're looking for a way to recognize a player, coach, or team member, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for anyone who wants a memorable and elegant award. What people say? The ring is very pretty and well made. The ring is beautiful and fits perfectly. Number 4. Silicone Ring, Replacement Wedding Band. Are you looking for a comfortable and durable alternative to your traditional wedding band? This is it. It's perfect for those with active lifestyles or anyone who wants a worry-free ring. Finding the right fit is easy. You can select the perfect size to ensure a comfortable and secure fit. This ensures it won't slip off during your daily activities. Express yourself with a variety of colors. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more vibrant, there's a color to match your style. It's a simple way to add a touch of personality. This ring is an ideal replacement for your metal wedding band. It's great for travel, work, or any situation where you want to protect your valuable ring. It offers peace of mind. Made from high-quality silicone, it's designed for comfort and durability. It's flexible, lightweight, and can withstand the rigors of daily wear. You'll barely notice it's there. What we like? This ring is made of silicone, offering a comfortable and flexible fit. Available in various colors, it caters to personal preferences. If you are looking for a practical and stylish replacement wedding band, this is the perfect option. It is great for those with active lifestyles or who prefer a more casual look. What people say? The ring is beautiful. The ring is exactly what I wanted. It is a great ring. Number 3. Sterling Silver Sports Rings for Women. This exquisite ring is designed for sports lovers. It's a perfect way to show off your love for the game. Crafted from high-quality 925 sterling silver, this ring offers both beauty and durability. The material ensures it will last for years to come. Featuring designs inspired by basketball, softball, baseball, football, and tennis. This ring is a versatile accessory for any sports enthusiast. The adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for any finger. It's easy to wear and perfect for everyday use. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This ring is ideal for players and moms alike. It's a stylish and meaningful present. What we like? Crafted from 925 sterling silver, this ring offers a touch of elegance. Its adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for anyone. If you are a sports fan or looking for a special gift, this ring is a great choice. It is perfect for those who appreciate sports-themed jewelry. What people say? The ring is beautiful and well-made. The softball design is perfect. It is a great way to show support for the sport. Number 2. Sterling Silver Sports Rings for Women. This exquisite ring is perfect for any sports enthusiast. It's a beautiful way to show off your love for the game and makes a wonderful gift. Crafted from high-quality 925 sterling silver, this ring is designed to last. The durable material ensures it will remain a cherished piece for years to come. Featuring designs for basketball, softball, baseball, football, and tennis, there's a ring for every player. It's a versatile piece that suits various interests. The adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for any finger. It's easy to wear and adds a touch of sporty elegance to any outfit. This ring is an ideal gift for women and sports moms. It's a thoughtful present that celebrates their passion and dedication. What we like. Crafted from 925 sterling silver, this ring offers a touch of elegance. Its adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for anyone. If you are a sports fan or looking for a special gift, this ring is a great choice. It is perfect for those who appreciate sports-themed jewelry. What people say. The ring is very pretty and looks just like the picture. The ring is very well made and the softball is perfect. It is a great gift for any softball player. Number 1. Discount Sports Champion Ring, Pink. This ring is a fantastic award for any player. It's perfect for recognizing their achievements in sports. They will be proud to wear it. The ring features a high-quality design, making it a standout award. It's suitable for teams, leagues, and tournaments. This ring is a symbol of victory. This ring is available in size 9. It's made from environmental-friendly zinc alloy and crystal stone. It's a solid ring, not hollow. This ring makes a great gift for any sports fan. It's a perfect way to recognize players, coaches, or sponsors. You can exchange or return it if you don't love it. This ring is a perfect way to recognize any player, competitor, coach, sponsor, team mom or dad. Enjoy the beautiful bright color finish on this cast zinc championship ring. What we like. This ring features a high-quality design with a bright color finish. Made from environmental-friendly zinc alloy and crystal stone, it's a solid and durable award. If you are looking for a standout award for your team or a great gift for a sports fan, this ring is an excellent choice. It is perfect for recognizing achievements. What people say. The ring is very pretty and looks just like the picture. The ring is well made and the softball is very detailed. It is a great gift for any softball player. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.